Namaskar दोस्तों, this is Rajkumar Prajapati. First of all, I would like to thank you from the bottom of my heart for watching our videos and giving proper response to us. Okay, friends, today in this video we are going to learn actually sentences, how to make sentences of have and has, which is as easy as ABCD. See, there are two verbs here. You can see two verbs, have and has, and making their sentence is very easy. Just you have to put their subject, verb, and after the verb any noun or pronoun and a sentence is ready. I told you a sentence is made when you put a subject and after that subject there should be a verb. We have two verbs, have and has. Where to put have and has, I have already made a video and you can watch that video going in the description box. Click the link and you can watch that video. Today here we are going to make lots of sentences of these different pronouns. So how to make sentences I have told you that it is very easy. Just put a subject. Here there is a subject and this is I, and with I is followed actually with have. After I, just put have. The verb have should be here, and after have you can put so many things, noun or pronouns also you can put, or anything you would like to put here, and you can make a sentence. For example, I have a pen. I have a pen, and Hindi should be मेरे पास एक पेन है. I have a pen. मेरे पास एक पेन है. I have a headache. मुझे सिर दर्द है. Headache means सिर दर्द. Okay. This is written what? Headache. Can you imagine? This is ache. This is ache. We read it ache. Can you imagine ache? The spelling of ache is this is. It is very tough. It is very tough to read. Sometimes we are confused that what it is. It is ache, headache. You must have heard many times that this is written ache, headache. I have a headache. मुझे सिर दर्द है. I have a headache. And here I have an idea. You have already heard this sentence many times. Many times in movies, and teachers and lots of friends also speak. I have an idea. I have an idea. मेरे पास एक idea है. I have an idea. Here also I have two brothers. मेरे दो भाई हैं. Never say मेरे पास दो भाई हैं. See, Hindi changes sometimes. According to situation, Hindi changes. Never say मेरे पास दो भाई हैं. अरे मेरे दो भाई हैं. Have has tells relation and also possession. Possession and relation, it tells actually whether you have things or people. So it tells what? I have two brothers. मेरे पास मेरे दो भाई हैं. I have two brothers. I have one uncle. मेरे एक अंकल हैं. I have one uncle. I have many friends. मेरे बहुत सारे मित्र हैं. I have many friends. I have lots of books. मेरे पास बहुत सारी किताबें हैं. I have lots of books. I have an urgent work. मुझे एक urgent work है. I have an urgent work. I have no time. Today I have no time. आज बिल्कुल समय नहीं है. आज मेरे पास बिल्कुल समय नहीं है. Today I have no time. Here I have nothing else. Else means और. बस और कुछ नहीं है. I have nothing else. You can make lots of sentence with the help of these things. And see, with I and have, and after have you can put anything, and then you can change the subject. And after subject you can double the sentences. How? Just see. You can change the subject and you can put here you. And sentence is ready. See, there are so many sentences. Just you can practice, speak them over and over again and again, and you will have a good practice of speaking. For speaking, you will have to practice it. Without practice, it is tough to speak fluently. How? Let's see. You have a pen, you have a headache, you have an idea, you have two brothers, you have many friends, you have lots of books, you have an urgent work, you have no time, you have nothing else. And here also you can change the subject again, and you have lots of sentences. We have a pen, we have a headache, we have an idea, we have two brothers, we have many friends, we have lots of books, we have an urgent work, we have no time, we have nothing else. And here also you can you can put here he, but remember with he the verb changes, and here comes with he comes has. Remember with singular pronoun or noun has comes. With singular noun or pronoun has comes, except I and you. Leave I and you, because with I and you have come means have comes, and with any other singular pronoun or noun has come. So this is singular. So put here has, he has a pen, he has a headache, he has an idea, he has 2 brothers, he has many friends, he has lots of books, he has an urgent work, he has no time, he has nothing else. So many sentences there are. You have made not few sentences, but changing the pronouns you have made so many sentences. Here also again you can change the same thing. She has. Here you can say it has. It has. Practice actually. You can change the subject for practice, for the sake of practice. They have a pen, they have a headache, they have an idea, they have 2 brothers, they have many friends, they have lots of books, they have an urgent work, they have no time, they have nothing else. So many sentences you have made. Like this you can practice, and after that you can also put do not, and you can make negative sentence also. So but you for few days you will have to practice. Without having practice means no sentence will set in your mouth. Your tongue should have practice of speaking English. Without practice, brain understands, but it does not have practice of speaking. Your mouth should have practice of speaking. When it has practice, sentences sentences come out very fluently. Sentences come out from your mouth actually. So I hope this short video of have has you must have liked. Friends, if you are new to our video, new to our channel, please subscribe to our channels, like our video. Thank you very much. Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.